Good morning, traders. Today is September 28th, 2015, and just took a couple of trades earlier today, and got stopped out. I was watching this earlier, and I placed a bid to go long at 59, and my stop was at 54. And notice here, dead low is 53, and I got taken out by a penny, and that's kind of frustrating. So so my thinking was, it's gonna go short. So I took it short here at 64. So I got in right about there, and my stop was always 5 ticks, about 69. And here I got taken out exactly right at 59, and then went come back down. So when I noticed is that the price didn't go any lower, I knew there was going to be an upside move, but I lost two in a row, so I'm kind of sitting on my hands um, till I get myself together because I think I'm coming down with something, and I cannot seem to focus as far as price. So pivot wise, I think it tested this level here and stopped this low, and then now it might have a good push here to the upside. Maybe test these levels here, maybe even rip through there because I don't see this as resistance. So I'm maybe looking participating in the 46, 47 level, but that could have been a good profit for me. But like I said, I think my stop is a little too tight, and I got stopped out a couple of times. And like I said, I'm trading this part time, so I don't want to blow all my money in one day. So I've been sitting on my hands, and this narrow plays here is not really panning out. But I think it's you still got moved to the upside. Rig count. I think there was it ticked up by two somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico because I've been watching. If you Google search rig count, they post it every Friday weekly, and excuse me, and had ticked up twice. So that tells me that someone's drilling oil out there, um, and gasoline price is coming down. So what does that really mean? To me, that you know, as I mentioned, I think we had this play action here on price of crude last Wednesday. This spike up here, suddenly they realized that they had so much gasoline inventory, and this is what caused the collapse. But like I said, gas prices coming down, so I'm thinking that they're trying to entice people to buying so they can get rid of their inventory, and once that inventory is gone and rigs are start going up again, I think is where potential price might start coming up. But the daily doesn't look good. It looks like it's making higher highs on the daily, and it looks like it's going to roll over. But price support as far as daily is concerned. So if I switch to let's see, I'm gonna try to switch to daily here. One second. Oh, it looks like kind of ugly chart here, but it looks like you had the price support at this level at $44. Now it's up at, oh wait, sorry, 44.10, and then now it's a little 44 halves. You're getting price support there, but this long-term projection is making higher lows. So I think if it closes below 44 halves, now you have a potential of price retracement here at the 39 level, and this level might get tested. We'll see. I don't have a mirror ball, or I don't have the magic crystal ball to tell you where that price is going, but just speculation, I guess. So that's it. I don't have a price action right now. Like I said, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting for this thing to pan out. It looks like it's going to be one of those nasty inside days, and as far as target, I'm not really anticipating to, maybe take 10 ticks, 20 ticks, any, at a time rather than the whole 50 ticks that I always go for. Um, doesn't look like it's going to make it today anywhere. I mean, the range already is it made about 97 ticks already for today. So I think it's going to be a side out, or sideways action, and try to guess the lows and the highs. It's almost impossible, especially when the play is stop and go type of deal. Like for instance, this one you would think it's resist or support, and then gets through here, knocks you out, and then it comes back up and sell at this area. So it's making lower lows and then lower highs, but you know you would think this thing would continue and use this level, price level 44.78 level, as support, I mean resistance when it goes down, but yet it just blasts through there and then makes another lower lows. So this kind of play, sometimes it's difficult to guess. So there's definitely proper entry techniques that you could try, and which I did today. But like I said, I think I got in too early and I got stopped out too soon, which is okay. I mean, you're not gonna be a winner every day. So that's it for me. If you have any questions, um, like and subscribe this video. Any topics you want me to cover, in the future, just shoot me an email or hit me up. I also have a Facebook account that you can also follow and subscribe there as well. You guys have a great and safe trading day. Today's sideways action. I don't think I'm going to participate. It's just because the risk reward is just not there for me. Sometimes it's good to just sit on your hands than lose money slowly. Have a great day, you guys. Be safe, and see you on the next video.